Welcome back to AS Motor Zone. This Mercedes-Benz Titan Skyliner double-decker motorhome represents the ultimate vision of luxury travel on wheels. The exterior immediately communicates power and elegance. At the front, the massive sculpted nose creates a bold and aerodynamic appearance that feels both modern and commanding. The iconic Mercedes-Benz grille sits proudly at the center, carrying the famous three-pointed star emblem that symbolizes engineering excellence and luxury heritage. Surrounding the grille are razor-sharp LED matrix headlights designed with a crystal lighting signature that gives the vehicle a futuristic and sophisticated character. The windshield is enormous, stretching upward and blending smoothly into the roofline. This panoramic driver windshield provides outstanding visibility while contributing to the sleek design of the front section. The body of the motorhome is exceptionally long, giving the vehicle an impressive presence that dominates any environment. One of the most striking elements of the Titan Skyliner is its towering double-decker structure. The vehicle rises high above standard motorhomes, creating two full levels of living space. Along the upper level, a continuous band of deep black panoramic glass runs across the entire length of the motorhome. These tinted windows create a smooth, uninterrupted surface that looks similar to the glass panels used in luxury yachts and private jets. The lower level also features long, smoked glass window panels integrated into the bodywork. These windows are finished in a premium limousine-style appearance, giving the motorhome a premium limousine-style appearance. The contrast between the pearl champagne metallic body and the dark glass panels creates an elegant and modern color combination. Entering the lower level, the first impression is a spacious and refined interior layout. Premium materials such as polished wood, soft leather, brushed aluminum, and ambient lighting define the atmosphere. The space is designed to feel like a modern luxury apartment rather than a traditional RV. At the front of the lower deck sits the main lounge area. This space features a comfortable luxury sofa designed for long-distance travel relaxation. The seating is upholstered in soft, premium leather and surrounded by subtle ambient lighting integrated into the walls and ceiling. Large panoramic windows allow natural light to fill the interior while providing wide views of the surroundings. Across from the lounge is a compact yet highly refined kitchen area. The kitchen is carefully designed to maximize functionality while maintaining a clean and elegant appearance. It features a modern countertop, integrated sink, induction cooktop, and concealed storage compartments. Premium cabinetry with soft close mechanisms keeps the space organized and efficient. Next to the lounge and kitchen area is a dedicated dining space. This dining area features a luxury table paired with comfortable seating, allowing passengers to enjoy meals in a refined environment. The design resembles a private dining area in a high-end hotel suite. Soft overhead lighting and panoramic side windows create a relaxing atmosphere for dining and conversation. The lower deck is carefully arranged to maintain a sense of openness despite being inside a motorhome. Smart space planning ensures that each section flows naturally into the next without feeling crowded. A staircase located toward the center of the motorhome leads to the upper level. This staircase connects the two floors and introduces passengers to the most private and luxurious part of the vehicle. The upper deck is dedicated entirely to the master bedroom suite. This level provides a quiet and comfortable retreat designed for relaxation after long journeys. The bedroom features a large luxury bed positioned to take advantage of the panoramic windows along both sides of the motorhome. The bed itself is designed with premium comfort in mind. It includes a high-quality mattress, soft blankets, and plush pillows similar to those found in luxury hotels. The bedding materials are chosen to provide a relaxing sleeping experience even during long trips. Surrounding the bed are elegant storage cabinets and integrated lighting panels that create a calm and warm environment. The panoramic windows on the upper deck provide impressive views while maintaining privacy through deep tinted glass.
The upper deck is designed to feel like a private luxury suite. Soft carpeting, premium wall finishes, and carefully placed lighting elements create an environment that is both elegant and comfortable. Together, the two levels of the Titan Skyliner motorhome transform the vehicle into a fully functional luxury residence on wheels. The lower deck provides social spaces for dining, cooking, and relaxation, while the upper deck offers a peaceful bedroom retreat. The Mercedes-Benz Titan Skyliner double-decker motorhome demonstrates how advanced engineering and luxury design can merge into one extraordinary vehicle. With its massive size, elegant styling, and two-story living space, it represents the ultimate concept of luxury travel. Instead of simply transporting passengers from one place to another, this motorhome redefines the journey itself, turning every mile into a premium living experience.